Hey everyone, and welcome to the Gizmo Breaker channel. My name's Oscar and I'll be your Gizmo Breaker today. Today we're going to be breaking the Canon SX740 HS by replacing the screen. Wait, what? Doesn't even make sense.
I don't even know what that means.
No one knows what it means, but it's provocative.
No, it's not. It's
Gets
gross.
the people going.
It's
No,
disgusting.
that's enough!
Today we're going to be going over how to replace the screen on the Canon SX740 HS. And it's not going to be a step-by-step tutorial, but you will be able to see how it's done and how to avoid some of the challenges that I had. But first, a reminder that I do stream Thursdays and Saturdays. If you guys want to stop by and talk tech, travel, streaming, or spirits, more than welcome to the conversation. So with all that being said, let's break into it. Alright, so as you guys can see here, we have the Canon SX740. Looks good. For the most part, I got this for an incredible steal on eBay for about 90 bucks. However, the screen on the back seems to have a big old crack. So, what we're going to try to do today is replace it, this placement part here, and we're going to see how that goes. I wasn't able to find a guide online, so hopefully this is pretty straightforward and I will be able to get this done tonight. So let's see what we can do. Yeah, this thing. So this takes a J00. Let's see how that works out. I'm hoping it's just these two screws that need to be taken off. In which case that would be a dream, easy peasy replacement. Maybe these back ones probably have something to do with it too. Okay, so this is just the inside of the flap screen. Oh, and that seems to have done it. This whole thing comes off. And off. Right about, okay, so if this is that there, and this is, it'll go like this and flip around. Okay. No, now I gotta fix it. That was the ever so delicate ribbon cable. Probably shouldn't have scratched that, but doesn't look like it flips up, so oh, that does flip up. Oh, that's good to know. I wasn't crazy. So does this one flip up as well? I don't think so. So right there we have the long ribbon, the small ribbon. So now the question is, how does this thing come off? Well, something just came off. Where did that come from? May have to go back and check. Okay, that was this thing here. I think I'm gonna have to go back and check the video on that. Yeah, okay. Okay, so that goes there. Yeah, okay. So now we can work with this freely. And I still don't know how to get this out.
One eternity later.
Gotta be careful here. Start breaking off a piece of the screens. I figured just glue it on there or something. It's hard to get in there to begin with. There we go. Just needed it in. Go. There we go. Just a little bit of adhesive there that I really wish I hadn't broken off. So I will, at the risk of probably waterproofs it a little bit, whatever. Probably should have done that a little more gently with the, oh, we'll see, goes back in there, kind of. That should be good. I'm gonna set a few pieces down here. Okay, so that looks pretty clean. There's the old one, broken at the bottom. So in hindsight, I probably shouldn't have loosened it through the cracked area. I should have just kept going around the top and worked my way this way with the picks. And then this probably would have just hinged open, and I would have been okay just pulling it off altogether instead of having bits and pieces get stuck to there. Okay, so I think that's pretty good for now. So then we'll bring this guy in here. Some scratches on it, but that's just the plastic cover that's scratched. So this should go in like this. And just end up, oh, that adhesive supposed to grab onto the screen, and that's it. It's in. So now I just gotta put these back in. So the little one first.
One eternity later.
Really don't want to strip these. Okay. Cool, so you just get tweezers, make sure that's in. Then to
One eternity later.
Ooh, I hope I didn't damage that. And it goes down like that, something like that. So there's these two little tabs on this thing that fit right in a little groove here and here. And once you slide it in a little bit, these aren't the best tweezers. We'll see if I didn't damage the ribbon right now. But once you slide it in enough, then you press this down, locking it in place. So we're good there. Okay, hopefully we're good there. I don't want to have to open this up again. So now come back here and reattach this ribbon. Right here. So play this one. I have to use this one again. I just scratch the back of it. Shoot. Alright, this seems to be the best tool. Just kind of the left, right. And there, and that should be good. Let's hope I didn't damage any of the ribbons. If I did, this is going to be annoying. So, whoa. Okay, so here, so right now we can put this in. That little piece of plastic here. Okay, so now you know what you have to take off. Bring this down. There you go. So let's see. This even works. It works. It works. That's another little issue. I'm gonna have to fix. The shutter gets stuck. But I mean, takes decent quality picture. There you go. That was a little painful. We got through it, so now we will just add back these tiny little screws and we'll be all set. Just remember, these are tiny ass screws, so you want to make sure you put them somewhere where they won't roll off and get lost in your carpet or wherever you're working. So I can tighten them as much as I want. I reckon Ralph. Okay. And it's not too scraped up. Okay. So now and now we have fully working screen. Too bad it's not touchscreen. Ha! There you go. Nice. Decent pictures. Good point and shoot. Alright. And for the inaugural peeling. Alright. Alright, so that's how you place a screen on an SX740 HS from Canon. So that's it for today, and thank you guys for watching. If you guys liked the video, hit like and subscribe. If you guys didn't, just leave a sarcastic comment down below and hit the unlike button. But in any case, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.